If you want to fix the issue when your Android phone freezes or suddenly slows down, well, first of all, let's check on our storage. So open up your settings. Now we gotta scroll down to our storage section. So it may vary on the different phone models. However, particularly in my model, storage is hidden in the battery and device care. On newer models, it's just a separate tab in your settings. So now open up your storage, and as you see, I have 37 storage used, which is a good sign, because if your device is full, this might be causing the freezing. So try to free up space by deleting old files or unused apps. Ideally, you should have at least 20% of free space. Alright, now let's go back, and in this particular section, we can find our software update. So choose it, press the button, install, and as you see, my software is up to date. So once again, it can be in your system update section or just in your system section in your settings. It varies on the model. And if update is available, make sure to install it, because updates often fix bugs and improve device's stability. So the next thing what we can try to do is to restart our phone. So first of all, locate the power button on your phone. We're gonna need it. Here it is on the right side of our phone. It may vary on your model. However, it should look like something like this, and your volume up and down buttons. Once again, for some models, we're gonna need them. So for Android 8.0 and above, you gotta press and hold the power button for 30 seconds until the device starts restarting. If this doesn't work or your version is older, you can try press and holding the power button and the volume down button simultaneously, and usually the phone will restart after 7 seconds. A screenshot might be taken sometimes, and for even older models like I have, you have to press a home button and power, volume down and volume up buttons together. So press your power button, volume down and volume up buttons all together. And as you see, our phone is getting restarted. So when you see a screen about a customize, don't worry, just continue holding your buttons and it will restart eventually. If your phone continues to freeze, first of all, back up all important data. You can use Google Photos, Google Files will transfer your files to another device manually. This is necessary because you might need a factory reset, which will erase all data. So open up your settings, scroll down to your About Phone tab. Here, scroll down to the very bottom and find your reset option. Now you gotta press Factory Data Reset. Confirm your choice by pressing reset, and basically that's it. If you followed all of these steps but your phone still freezes, the issue might be hardware related. So contact the manufacturer support for further diagnosis and repair. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.